everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of our B.Ed, which is what do you mean by learning resources? Explain its type, functions, preparation, and utilization. So when you are going to attempt this question, you have to write introduction part and then meaning, then explain these type, function, preparation, and utilization. So in introduction part, you have to write 2 to 4 lines, which is learning resources plays important role in teaching learning. They are the tool that help teacher to teach and students to learn. After that, you have to write the meaning, where you have to write learning resources is that but assist a teacher to facilitate learning and making the learning so attractive and interactive. Learning resources are those devices and procedures that help to make teaching and learning more interesting, effective, and more reinforcing. Then you have to attempt these types, which are of 4 types: visual resources, audio resources, and activity resources. Then you have to make subheading of these resources, like visual resources have textbook, posters, maps, workbooks, and audio visual resources are television, film, video, computer, etc. So you have to make a flow chart like this. After that, you have to explain these resources one by one. And 2 to 3 line, you have to explain what are these resources. After that, you have to write the functions of these resources. And the function are as follow, like you have to also going to make chart like this: attention and interest, best motivators, reduce verbalism. Then you have to explain these functions. In flowchart, you have to add almost 20 to 30 functions, while you only have to explain these 5 to 10 functions. You have to explain the main functions. After that, you have to make a flowchart for preparation and utilization of learning resources in life science. How you can prepare them and how you can utilize these learning resources. Where the first is model, and in that you have to explain how you can prepare these model. So you can prepare with clay, thermocol, paper, cardboard, etc. Then you have to explain how you can prepare these models. After that, you have to explain use of model, how and where you can use these models. And then blackboard. You can also make flow chart for explaining use of these blackboard and models. Then you have to explain all these resources one by one. In case of charts, you also add types of chart. And then at the end, you have to conclude all that. Conclusion is an important part to attempt any question.